Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. The other day we were conducting an online course on how to activate the subconscious mind. More than 300 participants were there. We made a small survey. Why are you not investing in stock market? What are the reasons? My dear friends, that survey probably represents the mood of the country. For example, my dear friends, most of the Indians don't invest in stock market for the following 5 reasons. To become developed economy, India needs to have strong financial system and stock markets. But we are nowhere close to it now. Indian public at large have phobia of stock markets. They love it when they are making profits, hate it when making losses. Now I'm giving you a shocking statistics about the number of investors in stock market. You may not believe it. The total number of people in the stock market out of the 135 crores is only 3 crores. And only 4 crores out of 135 crores are investing in mutual funds. Here are the 5 reasons why Indians don't invest in stock markets. Number 1, lack of trust. Many scams happened in the past in stock markets like Harshad Mehta, Ketan Parekh, UTI scam, and recently Nirav Modi, Vijay Mallya, etc. People are afraid that my money will be wiped off. But recently, the last 20 years, SEBI is constituted and they are looking after the safety of average investors. The chances of scams are very remote. The second reason is lack of knowledge and complexity in operation of stock markets. People have no basic knowledge, no idea about fundamental analysis and technical analysis, and lack of knowledge in buying by online mode. When I ask in my workshops how to buy stocks, many people tell me, Dr. Bharath Chandra, we go to the broker's house with a bag and he will put all these stocks in that bag like tomatoes and like oranges. Then I come home and keep it in the house. They have no idea this is an online purchase like the bus tickets or railway tickets. Some people think that stock market is like gambling and like a horse race betting. They are also looking for very quick money and don't have patience to wait for long term, and good companies and good time horizon is equal to wealth. Third reason, availability of other financial instruments. When we made a survey, we noticed 88% have kept their money in banks, post office, real estate, gold, and provident funds. Stock markets and mutual funds put together only constitutes 12% of our total saved money from Indians. They prefer safety even though returns from banks and post office is less than inflation. Fourth reason is lack of capital. People listen to stories of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Vijay Kedia, Warren Buffett, etc. And the misconception is loads of money is required to invest. This is far from truth. All these great investors started small in the beginning. Warren Buffett started with only around $1,000 at the age of 12. Now, recently, SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, is available for wealth creation. You can start with even rupees 200 or 300, and you can even buy one stock at a time, and the stock may cost only 100 rupees. The fifth reason is no appetite for risk. So many people invest in FDs and post office for long term. Stocks and mutual funds are risky in short term. Ready to wait for long term, money can be created in stock markets. Also, people are falling victim to advice from brokers, intermediaries, and not so financially literate friends and relatives. Friends, If you're not a member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to press the subscribe button and also to press the bell icon so that notification comes to you directly. There are many videos in English and Kannada on stock markets and many other topics. If you like this video, press the like button. If you have benefited from this video, type agree in the comment section. Share this video to at least 50 people so that they also will benefit. Thank you for watching the video completely. Bye-bye.